Yeah, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Here to do a little walk around on my new 2020 Venom Ghost 250 from Venom Motorsports USA. I hadn't been able to do any video or taking pictures of it lately. Been low on the weather since around Wednesday, the day I got it, or the day after. So today was the first day I really got to get out, and basically got it early this morning and put my windshield on. But anyhow, let's get started. You can see it's a whole new design by Venom Motorsports. They got with the manufacturer and redesigned the old Ghost. A lot of new features on it. First of all, they have a digital speedometer intact, as you can see, which also has fuel gauge, voltage meter, of course, you know, your mileage. It also has a USB port on the side right here. That's a neat little feature they added. Around, these are actually lit up on the side. This is all steel, it's not plastic. This is plastic, this is where your battery is behind. So if you can't figure out how to get to install your battery, basically you just pull the top out and you lift up. It then hooks at the bottom right here, and you put your battery in. They got a little plate that goes across it, but I'll show you that at another time. And then stick it back on and snap it back in place. Yeah, another upgrade they've done was actually use an Agm battery. So the old lead acid battery, good nice heavy duty glass mat battery, and nice wide brake pedal. I like this. Upgrades, they've done a few. If you notice, this manifold is not rubber anymore. They actually made it aluminum. They had issues with them on some bikes cracking. Well, they fixed that. Replaced it with a good aluminum one. Nice sound exhaust. I'll crank it up in a little bit so you can hear that. Nice shocks on it, adjustable. They have a good pressure switch instead of the old cable switches that don't work half the time. Nice new LED lights. And these headlights are bright. Actually, I'd have it running before the headlights come on. I'll show it a little bit. But these are like your running light, daylight running lights. There's your flashers. And as you see, this windshield came out nice on that bike, almost a perfect fit. Tires are some, what's this, I can't even really see it here, 100 by 90 by 16 on the front. They also have added a center stand, which is great if you got a, you're lubing a chain, that kind of thing. Need to work on the rear tire for whatever reason. I'll probably be using it pretty soon. It did come with a 45 tooth sprocket. I'll be putting a 36 tooth. I already checked it. It's uses the same sprocket as my Hawk, which is pretty common. It's a JTR 269, I think it is. I'll verify that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So it'll be very easy to get. I won't have to get a custom one made like I did with my X22R. Yeah, pretty nice looking bike. I just wish I could get out and ride on it. And hopefully by the middle of the week, if the rain don't start up, I'll get to ride. Yeah, pretty. Crank her up. Smells great, doesn't she? It's like soft, it's straight through. It's fiberglass packing in it. The only real baff you got is a catalytic converter. Nice sound to it. Here you can see the headlights. Low beam. High beam. Hey, they're bright. Really worked. I tested them out the other night. Yeah, that's a sweet looking bike. I'm glad I got it. I just can't wait to get it out on the road though, to test it all out. Wasn't too sure about the windshield, but I think the size of it, the smoke tint, really came out nice on it. Anything else too big, I don't think it'll look that good. Let's see, digital tach. That's also a gear indicator. So yeah, please like, subscribe. Don't forget to visit ChinaRiders.net. And yeah, please hit up Venom Motorsports USA. If you want one of these bikes, you can use the discount code JerryHawk250 and save $50 off this bike or any other bike or ATV.